Welcome back another session. So the same question, but third solution. Where do you find the deleted delivery lines? Okay, let's have a try third solution. Okay, the final solution. If you know any other solution also you can comment. I'm ready to learn. Okay, these are the three things I think it is sufficient. Okay, without wasting our time, let's getting into the topic. So if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you love my videos, you can comment it. Your comments are feedback to me. Okay. When you give your feedback, I'll try to improvise my things at the time of delivering the things. Please write, you ask your doubts. Okay. You can ask anything in general also, no problem related to interviews. Any guidance if you want it. Okay. So this is the forum, and for your serious learning, this is the forum. I'm currently holding 5,496 students, almost 6,000 students. So I have different kind of courses available, all related to real time. If you completely follow these courses, you can able to grab the job. Okay, but it is up to you. I'm giving the knowledge of how much you can able to grasp. It's all completely depends on you. But I strongly recommend these two courses if you have already done. One is for idocs and another one is getting master to write functional specification. Okay, if you are interested in pricing and FSCM changes and business partners, you better get into this course as early as possible by 2027 or 2030, max 2030. You don't have ECC, probably you can give a try this course. Okay, this is what I'm recommending here. So you can find these links below of this video. Okay. Further, don't getting waste our time. Let's see the same thing. Okay. This is my order. It's an open order again. Okay. So let's try to create a delivery now quickly with 5 line items. Okay. Let's save this. Okay. So now go to VL0 to N. Okay. So probably you can delete it. I'm just deleting first 3 line items. Okay. So let's save this. Okay. You have a delivery document, right? Now we can able to find this is different T code, not only for deliveries, you can able to access other details also. Okay. The transaction code is /n AUT 10H. Okay. So if you go to the menu, right, if you have your own assignments, means you want T codes, or else you can able to find by T code by giving the time when you have used, okay, for deletion or changes, you can able to find here. So our transaction code is VL010. You give in change mode, you went there and you deleted, right? And probably you can give the start date. Okay. So this you can able to find the history of all your documents. I'm just giving today only, right? Just before you have deleted. Okay. I'm just giving the date. And if you want, you can able to give by changer by, but the start date and end date, and use certain times. If you have tons of documents, certain cases in the same day, like 1,000 documents are there, you have issues with few documents that you would like to filter, then you can able to give the time within the day also. Okay. Long test and evaluate details also you can, so that it will give some detailed information. Okay. So let's execute this simply. Okay. You don't find any selection with a long text, right? Okay. Let's take this and execute now. Okay. Something is happening now. So what's the date today? Richie. Should you somehow something is happening? Let's give this otherwise. Oh, why I have given this date? Today is 22nd. It's my mistake. Yeah, it's got highlighted. Let's give not even user. Let's give the keyboard. Okay, it's my mistake. Sorry. So sometimes it do happens with anybody. So now you can able to see this. Everything you got. Okay. So these many details are there. Here key is there, right? Data record I told you. Okay. You can able to find it out. So all these are the details. What is the table key? What is the change number? What is the object value? And all those things. Let's do one thing. Let's give the long text also. I forgotten actually. So sorry. So give only today's date, but we'll have more data obviously because I have deleted many lines, right? That's why I'm getting. So in that I need to filter it out. Okay. So delivery item, let's give it try. This one. Okay. This is the object value. Like that, you can able to read because today the same scenario run multiple times. I cannot able to show you. Okay. Probably you can download to the Excel and you can able to you can able to filter, right? Basically. So I'm not going to do anything now. Okay. Probably that much, basics I don't require to explain you. Okay. So you can select and you can do this ascending and descending and find something also you can able to do it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So that's it, folks. Like okay, I don't know. So this is how you can able to filter it. Okay. So not only this, you can able to try other transactions also, transaction relevant data also for changes. Okay. So if you go to the logistics, probably if you like, it's useful. So you can able to take inquiries and quotations. This is the collective package. Okay. AUT10. Okay. You can give it a try. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.